Do you feel like your skin is losing its bounce? We know that collagen is key to tight, youthful-looking skin and flexible joints. So in this video, I'm going to give you 9 delicious collagen-boosting foods that are an awful lot cheaper than those collagen creams that promise the world and cost an absolute fortune. Hey there, I'm Matthew. I'm a qualified biochemist. Let's dive in. So first of all, why does collagen matter? Well, collagen is your body's most abundant protein. Think of it as the scaffolding that keeps skin plump, joints lubed, and your gut lining intact. From our mid-20s onwards, we lose about 1.5% of collagen production every year, leading to wrinkles, creaky knees, and even gut health issues. So replenishing those collagen stores is absolutely key to feeling and looking your very best. Now, it's important to say that while some randomized controlled trials back hydrolyzed collagen supplements, whole food studies are unfortunately limited, but these foods still deliver the same peptides and amino acids your body needs to rebuild collagen. Your body stitches collagen together from amino acids, primarily glycine, proline, and lysine, plus cofactors like vitamin C, zinc, and copper. Foods high in collagen often deliver these building blocks in one delicious package, making them doubly valuable. So the first collagen-boosting food on our list is bone broth. Slow-simmered bones break down connective tissue into gelatin and collagen peptides, rich in glycine and proline. A daily mug of bone broth gives you those amino acids plus trace minerals, your toolbox for new collagen formation. Chicken skin and cartilage are packed with type 2 collagen and the amino acids your joints crave. So try slow-cooked chicken feet soup or simply grilled chicken with the skin on. You'll get structural collagen plus glycine and proline to fuel repair. Pork rinds are nearly pure hydrolyzed collagen. Snack on these crunchy little bites to load up on glycine and proline-packed peptides that support skin and your joint health. Marine collagen from fish skin is prized for its small peptide size and high absorbability. Grill salmon with the skin attached, or simply snack on crispy fish skin chips to get type 1 collagen plus lysine and hydroxyproline for firmer skin. Did you know that turkey skin delivers type 1 collagen along with glycine and proline? So enjoy roast turkey with the skin on or crisp up turkey skin cracklings for a protein-rich snack that feeds your body's collagen machinery. No surprise, egg whites contain no collagen itself, but they are rich in proline and lysine, the essential amino acids your body needs to synthesize collagen. So whip up an egg white omelette or add egg white powder to smoothies for a clean protein boost. Gourmet dishes like braised beef tendon or tendon dim sum pack type 1 and type 3 collagen, plus hefty doses of glycine and proline. Slow cooking releases soluble collagen peptides that support skin elasticity and joint mobility. Pork belly and hock. These succulent cuts are loaded with connective tissues that yields collagen when braised or roasted, along with zinc and copper to catalyze collagen cross-linking in your body. It's a comfort food that literally holds you together from the inside out. Broths made from shrimp, crab, or lobster shells extract chitosan and small amounts of collagen peptides, plus trace minerals like zinc. So use seafood stock as a cooking liquid for risottos or soups to sneak in that collagen support. So that's a list of 9 collagen-boosting foods. There are, however, foods that will sabotage your collagen levels, such as excess sugar, which will stiffen collagen fibers, making them prone to damage. Smoking. Tobacco chemicals degrade collagen and will restrict blood flow, starving tissues of important nutrients that will help rebuild them. And finally, UV radiation. Chronic sun exposure breaks down dermal collagen and inhibits new synthesis, leading to sagging and to those infamous wrinkles. So some practical takeaways for you: rotate collagen-rich foods like bone broth, turkey skin, and fish skin to keep your diet varied and your collagen pipeline flowing. pair vitamin C-rich produce like citrus, bell peppers, and strawberries, plus zinc and copper-packed nuts or shellfish to supply all the cofactors your body needs. Maintain healthy habits, sun protection, limiting sugar, and avoiding smoking to prevent accelerated collagen breakdown. Well, hopefully you got some value from this episode today, and with all of those collagen-boosting foods, you'll be looking like a toddler again in no time. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And while you're there, check out this other video right here.